Alright guys, so this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the SEMrush affiliate program, guys. Actually really easy and simple. So all you need to do is come to the semrush.com/LP/affiliate program, and all you can do is just search this on Google and you'll come to this website for the affiliate program. Let me actually show you before we start applying what the requirements actually are. So you come and scroll all the way down here. Basically this is basically for content creators or people who have websites and things like that. Let me just show you right here, okay? The official requirements are these. So you basically need to be a content creator. So either you have a website or a social network page. A website or a social network page. And these also have requirements, guys. So if you have a website, you should have at least a minimum number of 1,000 unique visitors in monthly traffic. So 1,000 unique people. So 1,000 different people visiting your website every single month. And if you have a social media page or network page, you should have at least a significant amount of organic followers, nothing botted. Everything has been grown from scratch. That's what they want. At least 1,000 followers, likes, or views. And when they vet you guys, they're going to look at the quality of your website and your social media profile. They're going to look at what traffic sources you are generating traffic from. Maybe it's search-based, browse-based, external sources. Maybe you're sharing things elsewhere. Are your keywords ranking? How often you post, things like that. And as well, guys, when you are signing up, it's best to sign up using an email that actually matches your website's domain. This will help them verify your contact details and the business you represent. Otherwise, there's actually a chance, guys, that your application could be denied due to unverified contact information. Keep this in mind, guys. Okay, you need to keep this in mind. This is very important. Okay, now I'm going to show you how can you can also come here and read this to see what content what applications they disapprove. For now, let me show you how to actually apply. You just come here and click on apply now for the affiliate program. You're going to be redirected to this page. Now here is from impact.com. Now we're going to be signing up through impact.com for SEMrush. So what you do is you just come here and click on sign up. It basically takes only about 5 minutes. So first things first, guys, they're going to make you read the contract terms. You can go through this and see if everything is okay with you and you accept these terms and you are okay with them. You can come and read these as well. But for now, guys, I'm just going to accept this and we're going to move on. So here, guys, you can either sign up with an email address or using Google. You can link your Google with this. But basically the information, guys, they actually ask you are things like, your name, they're going to ask you for your email, name, password, and then the guys are going to ask you for your country. And then after you get started there, guys, they're going to actually start asking you for your social media handles or your websites. You have to link those. And once you do that, guys, basically they're going to look to approve you. So if you meet all the requirements I showed you guys, okay, if you meet these requirements, then they should accept you within 3 to 7 business days, and they will let you know if you have been approved, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple. You just have to wait for an email confirmation, guys. If this video helps, guys, if you appreciate this quick tip guide, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if it worked out for you guys,